Emily, say hi. I'm in my OU shirt for the game today. Say hello. Bookie boo. What'd you do today? You're not gonna talk, are you? You've been talking for like an hour, and now, because the camera's on, you're going quiet. You camera shy? Are you a little camera shy? You're bouncing. What's that icing again? What is that? I'm sorry, I promised I wasn't going to make fun of you for doing the icing. Want to do it some more? You're moving your mouth, but there's no sound coming out. What? What? Yeah? Yeah? What else? What's that? Oh, it's Moxie. It's your favorite cat ever, huh? Okay, well if you're not gonna talk, then I'm gonna turn it off. You're a weirdo. You're a little bit of a weirdo. Okay. Say bye-bye.